Runny noses. As parents, we know them well. It seems like our little ones are always battling a case of the sniffles, especially during those germ-filled days at daycare or school. It's one of the most common reasons for pediatrician visits, leaving parents feeling both exhausted and a tad bit helpless. But fear not, dear parents, for a runny nose, while messy and sometimes concerning, is usually harmless and tends to clear up on its own within a few days. The sight of a drippy nose might tug at your heartstrings, but remember, it's a normal part of growing up. A child's immune system is still developing, learning to fight off countless viruses and bacteria lurking in the environment. Each runny nose is like a tiny battle won, strengthening their defenses for future encounters. So, what exactly causes those little noses to turn into leaky faucets? Most often, the culprit is a viral infection, such as the common cold. Viruses are tiny troublemakers, easily spread through the air or by touching contaminated surfaces. When a virus enters your child's body, their immune system jumps into action, producing mucus to trap and flush out the invaders. Besides the common cold, other viruses like the flu, respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, and even COVID-19 can lead to a runny nose. Allergies are another common trigger, causing the nasal lining to produce excess mucus in response to allergens like pollen, dust mites, or pet dander. The good news is that most runny noses can be managed effectively at home with simple remedies that provide relief and comfort. One of the easiest and most effective ways to ease congestion is to use a humidifier or vaporizer in your child's room, adding moisture to the air and helping to thin out the mucus. Saline drops are another great option, gently flushing out the nasal passages and loosening any dried mucus. For infants and toddlers who aren't yet blowing their noses, a nasal aspirator can be a lifesaver. These handy devices gently suction out mucus, providing instant relief and making it easier for little ones to breathe. And of course, don't forget the power of cuddles, extra fluids, and plenty of rest. These simple measures can go a long way in helping your child feel better faster. Section 4. Nasal aspirators, your secret weapon. Let's take a moment to appreciate the unsung hero of runny noses, the nasal aspirator. This ingenious device might seem intimidating at first, but trust us, it's a game changer. Nasal aspirators come in various forms, from bulb syringes to battery-operated models. Whichever type you choose, the key is to use it gently and effectively. Before using the aspirator, it can be helpful to loosen the mucus with a few drops of saline solution. Then, with your child lying down or tilted back, gently insert the tip of the aspirator into one nostril. Create suction by squeezing the bulb or turning on the device, and you'll be amazed at how much mucus comes out. Repeat on the other side, and your little one will be breathing easier in no time. Section 5. When to worry. Recognizing red flags. While most runny noses are harmless and resolve on their own, there are times when it's essential to seek medical attention. If your child's runny nose is accompanied by a high fever, persistent cough, difficulty breathing, ear pain, or a rash, it's crucial to contact your pediatrician. Additionally, if the nasal discharge is thick, green or yellow, foul-smelling or bloody, it could indicate a bacterial infection that requires antibiotics. Trust your instincts. If you're ever worried about your child's symptoms, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider for guidance. Section 6. Prevention power, keeping those noses clean. As the saying goes, prevention is better than cure. While we can't completely shield our children from every sniffle and sneeze, there are steps we can take to minimize their exposure to germs and boost their immune systems. Hand washing is paramount, especially before meals and after playing outdoors or being in contact with other children. Teach your little ones to cough or sneeze into their elbow or a tissue, and avoid touching their eyes, nose, and mouth as much as possible. A healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can also strengthen their defenses, while ensuring they get enough sleep helps their bodies fight off infections effectively.